up? What's up? What's up, guys? It's me, Dora. Today, I made this ice cream shop, and there's a hole at the bottom for no reason. But anyways, today I'm gonna be destroying this and make it back and destroying it in different ways. Look, Titanic. The first test, bruh. Let's just do it even more higher. Dang, it's so strong. Let's do it again. Oh my god. Last try. Oh my, you know what? No. This hasn't even break a single thing. How about we throw it? Test 2. Oh my god. Test 3. Last one. Test 4. Make it harder. Oh my, it's very hard. Look, some of the pieces are coming off. Let's do it again. There we go. That's better. Now I actually destroy. What? No. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. That is just. Oh my. Looks like it's time to build this. Okay, it's back to normal. Now, let's... Oh no, the roof is breaking apart. What the... And it's finished. This time, how about we throw over there? Yeah. No, not even a single scratch. Test 2. Oh my god! Oh my god! Jeez. Alright, it's time to rebuild this thing. Oh god. Yo, I actually destroyed it! Done. And I don't know why there's a piece, but okay. So that last one, wow, that was cool, but it took me a long time to build this. But here we go. How about we drop it? Obviously, it's strong, so how about I step on it? This is gonna hurt. So please, like, yeah. Wait. Oh, never mind. Kick it. I did it. Oh wow, look. All right, let's rebuild this. Done. Wow, the kick was, oh my god. But my feet hurt, so I'm never doing that again. How about let's hit it with a pillow. I have a pillow under, but all right, let's move it over there and pillow fight. Wait, hold on. Pillow fight. Oh, okay. All right, let's try it again. Dang, it's so strong. I'm trying as hard as I can. Holy, oh, it's very strong. Okay, ready, guys? I'm trying as hard as I can to destroy this. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, let's. Oh my, this piece only came off. Oh my gosh. Oh. Alright, here it goes. Okay, I did it. So that's Oh, I only hit a little bit, but how about I punch it? But okay, what if a tablet? What if iPad? Soup. Bro, how about higher? Okay, just a little bit off. No, never mind. But this only came off. So this is actually strong. Wow. Okay. Now, let's try throwing it. Oh my gosh. Again? Seriously, what? This is starting to become the weakest because this always falls off. Wait, hold on. This always falls off in every. This always falls off for no reason, but I put it like hard, so what am I supposed to do now? I need to think of a way to get this broken. Come on. I need like a hard thing.
2,000 years later.
Throw, cause oh my gosh, yo, we did it! This is a hard throw, cause oh my gosh, yo, we did it! Finally it broke, but okay, let's see how it. Seriously? This only broke? Oh my gosh. Oh, a couple pieces are missing, so I'm gonna find it, guys.
2,000 years later.
Pieces. Okay. So I gotta put this. Okay. Now we can put it. Now we can finally put it here. This is starting to become a little bit broken, but it's fine. I want it to be broken in a way because this ice. So this is the ice cream. This is the cashier. This is the, those glass or whatever. Wow. Okay, so let's try dropping and get this. So last time, guys. Never mind. This keeps falling off for no reason. This always keeps falling off. Now, alright. Alright guys, here's our last test. But this is gonna have to take me to build a long time. Let's. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Okay guys, we broke it. This is gonna take me a long time to build, so here it goes. Okay, I did it, guys. Woo. All right. Thanks. I'm done with this thing. Thank you for watching. Hope you have I'll see you later. Goodbye. Peace. Dang. What a piece of junk.